Do you want to revolutionize your spraying experience? Imagine transforming your painting jobs with just a touch. With Airless Revolver, all it takes is a flick. It's the innovation you've been waiting for. Rotate the fan with one finger without disassembling the spray gun. Adjust the direction from horizontal to vertical spray and vice versa in an instant. Simply flick it. It is available in two versions, European with 11/16 or American with 7/8. Do you already have your airless gun? All you need is the Airless Fan Revolver accessory, also available with both threads, European or American. Airless Revolver or Airless Fan Revolver. Choose your revolution. Simply flick it.